I'm going to get a soda for Mother Freshment. What? You are joking, right? I want soda right now. I will have to try again one more time. That's it. I'm breaking the vending machine.
Who's the bald-headed kid breaking the pseudo machine in camera 3? Security. We've got a problem. There's a bald-headed kid with a black shirt and blue pants breaking the pseudo machine. Catchy.
Yes. I finally got my soda. Oh no. It is the security. I better run.
We could this kid breaking pseudo machine. It does anything bad again, we call you getting a punishment. See, yell at it, guys.
Classic Caillou. We can't believe you broke the vending machine. You're lucky that you didn't get sent to jail.
But Boris, the vending machine didn't send like money.
It doesn't matter. You are grounded for 30 days. Go upstairs to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.